Hi friends, this is Gayatri S. Today we are going to discuss about flip-flop. Flip-flop is a sequential circuit. Sequential circuit means it depends upon previous output and present input. That is called sequential circuit, which generally samples its input and changes its output only at particular instant of time, not continuously. Flip-flop is said to be edge sensitive and or edge triggered rather than being level trigger like latches. Types of flip-flop, there are basically four types of flip-flop, and these are set reset, SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, D or data or delay flip-flop, T toggle flip-flop. SR flip-flop, this sample flip-flop circuit has set input S and reset input R. In this circuit, when you set S as active, the output Q would be high and the Q dash will be low. Once the output are established, the wiring of the circuit is maintained until S or R goes high or power is turned off. The two output are the inverse of each other. Circuit diagram for SR flip-flop is here. We can construct using NAND gate. Symbol for XR flip-flop is here. Truth table for XR flip-flop is 00 means there is no change in previous state. 01 means reset to 0. 10 means set to 1. 11 means invalid or indeterminate. Characteristic table, we can derive the characteristic table from the truth table. 00 means, here the 00 means there is no change in the previous state. Here also qn plus 1, there is no change in the previous state. 0 means 0, 1 means 1, 0 1 means 0 1 means it is reset to 0, so put 0 0. 1 0 means it is set to 1, so 1 1. 1 1 means invalid or indeterminate, so invalid or indeterminate. Characteristic equation. First of all, to obtain a characteristics equation, we draw a K-map. We draw the K-map using this characteristic table. From this K-map, we can derive an equation Q of t plus 1 or Qn plus 1 equal to S plus R dash Q of t. JK flip-flop. We can see the demo for SR flip-flop. The circuit is designed successfully. As per the truth table, we give the value 00 means there is no change in previous state. 01 means 01. 10 means 10. 11 means invalid or indeterminate. JK flip-flop, the input condition of J equal to K equal to 1 gives an output inverting the output state. However, the output are the same when one tests the circuit practically. In same words, if J and K data input are different, high and low, then the output Q takes the value of J at the next clock edge. If J and K are both low, then no chance occur. If J and K both high at the clock edge, then the output will be toggled from one state to other. JK flip-flop can be functions as state or reset flip-flop. To understand this clearly, we can use the truth table, circuit and block diagram for JK flip-flop is here. Here the circuit diagram, here the symbol. Truth table for JK flip-flop is here. The clock pulse is always at 1. 00 means there is no change in previous state. 01 means reset to 0. 10 means set to 1. 11 means complement of previous state, that is toggle. Characteristic table, the truth table, as we already discussed in SR flip-flop, like this. here, but there is only one change here. 1 1 means here 1 1 is the input complement of previous state. So 0 is the previous state, 1 is the next state. 1 is the previous state, q plus 1 is 0. There is only one change in JK flip-flop. The characteristic equation, from this characteristic table we can derive the K-map. From this K-map we can derive the equation, that is q t plus 1 equal to j q of t dash plus k dash q of t. Let's see the demo. The circuit is designed successfully. As per the truth table, we give the value 0 0 means there is no change in previous state. 0 1 means 0 1. 1 0 means 1 0. 1 1 means complement of previous states, that is toggle. D flip-flop. D flip-flop is better alternative that is very popular with digital electronic. They are commonly used for counters, unshift register and input synchronization. In a D flip-flop, the output can be only changed at the clock age and the input change at other time. The output will be unaffected. The change of state of output is depend on the rising edge of the clock. The output Q is same as input and can only change at the rising edge of the clock. D flip-flop is act like a buffer. Input is same as the output but with delay. So delay flip-flop. Let's see circuit and block diagram for D flip-flop. To design the D flip-flop, in between a JK flip-flop, put one NOT gate here. The symbol for D flip-flop is here. Truth table for D flip-flop is if D is 0, the output is also 0. If D is 1, the output is also 1. Characteristic table and equation. There is no change in characteristic table, same as similar to the truth table. Here the equation is q of t plus 1 equal to d. Let's see demo. The circuit is designed successfully. As per the truth table, we give the value. Here the enable is always at 1. Here D is 0, Q is 0. D is 1, Q is 1. Let's see T flip-flop. A T flip-flop is like JK flip-flop. They are basically a single input version of JK flip-flop. This is modified form of JK flip-flop is obtained by connecting both input J and K together. This flip-flop has only one input along with the clock input. These flip-flop are called as T flip-flop because of their ability to complement its state, that is toggle, hence the name toggle flip-flop. circuit and block diagram for flip-flop is here. T flip-flop is here. T flip-flop. The symbol for T flip-flop is here. Truth table of T flip-flop is, if 0 means same as previous state, 1 means complement of previous state, that is toggle. Characteristic table from the truth table, here 0. In 0 state there is no change in previous state. Previous state 0, put 0, 1, 1. 1 means complement of previous state. Here 0, put 1. Here 1, put 0. Characteristic equation. The characteristic equation is derived from the characteristic table. Let's see demo for T flip-flop. The circuit is designed successfully. As per the truth table, we give the value. The enable is 1. Here the T0 means there is no change in previous state. 1 means complement of previous state, that is toggle. Thank you guys.